No.
So hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So from the title, you definitely know by now that this is not a makeup tutorial or a hair tutorial as well, but however this is a how-to video, which is something that I also love. I love how-tos and DIYs. Yeah, so I'm going to be sharing you guys how to shop locally here in Nigeria or any part of Africa. I'm basically using Nigeria as a reference point because I am Nigerian and I am currently based in Nigeria. So if you are in Nigeria or any part of Africa to be precise, you definitely know that it is kind of like almost difficult or sometimes impossible to get some items or some products delivered to you here in Nigeria. And honestly, I do not know why these major international brands don't deliver to Nigeria or like any major African country. I think that is kind of absurd. But anywho, that is what this video is all about. I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can freely order for your items and get them delivered to you here or wherever you are in Africa at a very affordable cost. So yeah, let me just get it right out of the way. I do have like a bit of cold, so you have to bear with me throughout this video. I'm struggling to communicate. So yeah, I hope you actually hear and understand what I'm saying. So yeah, let's get it rolling. So before I proceed, I'm just going to be telling you guys a little bit about North Africa from my own experience and understanding in layman's term, because that's how I love things to be explained to me in person. So in summary, North Africa is sort of like an intermediary for those international stores that don't deliver to Nigeria or do deliver to Nigeria but like are not fast enough. So they basically handle all the logistics and shipping and just basically facilitate the movement of the product from there to here. So what I love about this is that you can shop from hundreds of stores in just one app. I mean, talk about convenience and ease. You can shop from Amazon. Hey Amazon, I love Amazon, guys. Most of my equipment and most of the things that I buy are actually from Amazon. So yeah, that is a good one for me. You can shop from Fenty Beauty, Few Unique, All Shades Covered, Ebony Line, Boss, 30 Peckins, Boohoo, and the list goes on. Yeah, most times I don't even shop, I just like screen shop. That's my own version of like window shopping physically, like screen shopping virtually on my phone. So most times I just screen shop and look for stores that are actually on sale, because most of the items that I buy are usually on sale. If you guys know shopping 101, that's like the shopping golden rule. I mean, like 60% of the things that I buy are literally on sales or like on discount. Then 20% basically are things that are like on trend, new release and stuff. Then maybe like 10% probably from influencers, things that beauty influencers or fashion influencers probably have influenced me a bit. Yeah. Then the remaining 10% probably from like impulse buying, like, oh, I like that, and yeah. So basically that is it. So I'm just going to be showing you guys how to screenshot or actually shop using the North Africa app. So let's get started. So moving on, the first thing you need to do is obviously download the app, and that is if you're using the mobile phone. Just go on to your app store or your Play Store and search for North Africa, and that is the first thing you see there. Just click on it and install or download, whichever works for you. Now personally, I love to use the app on my mobile phone because it's a lot more convenient, it's a lot more portable, and it saves me a whole lot of data. You guys are in Nigeria, you know how expensive it is to get data on your mobile phone, and it's freaking expensive and it's really small. Telecom service providers, you guys need to upgrade. You can do better. Yes, you can do better. MTN, that's what I'm using. You can do better.
So first of all, when you open the app actually comes with a tutorial, which obviously is good. It just shows you how to use the app in 4 easy steps. Now these steps are very easy and something you can actually learn and practice on your own. And also select the country that you would be delivering to. I'm selecting Nigeria because I'm based in Nigeria.
Yeah, so I majorly like to use my phone because it saves me a whole lot of time as well, because I can do this on the go. I can multitask with it. I can shop like literally anywhere. Get what I'm trying to say? However, if you want your shopping experience to be a lot more fun and a lot more realistic, if I can use that word, then definitely download the Google Chrome extension on your desktop or on your laptop, and that would make your shopping experience better.
So to get the North Africa extension, just search for North Africa in the Chrome web store and add it to your Chrome. It's that easy. Or if you don't know how to do it, just basically Google it. Google is literally your best friend and it will take you directly straight to the extension. Then add I've already added mine. Yeah, it's that easy.
Okay. So the next thing you need to do is to log in and create an account.
So start by clicking on the menu button, which is located on the top left of the app, and then also click on the login/register just to log in or register. If you don't have an account, create an account by filling this easy fields, basically this form. But if you do have an account, just log in as you would with any other app. Now you have different categories to shop from, or you could just go directly to alt store, which is what I like to do basically. Now definitely feel free to browse through the stores that are available, but I'm just going to be going straight to Ebonyland because I want some crochet extensions. And I'm just going to be browsing through their top or best sellers, which the first options that I go through, either that or I go through sales. Then I'm just going to be going through the crochet braids and just browsing through to look for something that I like. And I like this one. You guys already know I like curly hair that are very voluminous. I'm going to be selecting this and probably using 5 packs. I'm going to be creating a wig later on in my next video. So if you guys want to see that, then definitely stay tuned. Subscribe if you haven't. Yeah, I'm going to be choosing a color and basically adding it to my cart and checking out. So next up, just select checkout, select your pickup location. I'm just going to be doing a pickup location and I'm going to be picking up in Lagos, Victoria Island to be specific. Now this is my final cost. I'm going to be making payments, and to make payments you guys have various options right here. I'm going to be using my web card. However, now if you have any promo code, that is where you apply that. Now just go ahead and place your order, and guys, that is it. However, if you are using your desktop, it is the same process. Just start shopping, click on the store you want to shop with, let's say Fenty Beauty for instance. Select the products you want to shop or you want to buy, and let's just use it as an example. Add that to my bag. Now I'm not going to check out on Fenty Beauty's website. I'm going to click on the checkout icon on the banner up there, and yeah, just click on my delivery method, and that is how it's done. It's the same process. It's very easy and it's very straightforward. Yeah.
So yeah guys, that is the end. It is that easy, it's that fast, it's that convenient and easy and portable and enjoyable and doable. And I was on a roll. Yeah guys, so that is how to shop locally from international stores and get your items delivered to you here in Nigeria or in any African country in less than 7 days or 15 days, depending on if there's a DHL icon on the store's logo through the site. Yeah, so yeah, give me a thumbs up, like, comment down below if you're having any difficulties in shopping, or you guys want to know more about this, or if you guys just feel like commenting. Yeah, definitely have fun while doing this. Tag me if you actually get some pieces from North Africa. Let me know. Tag me in your Instagram post. I would be happy to see all your posts and all of that. I'll definitely see you in my next one in the haul video. So definitely subscribe if you haven't. Click on the notification bell to get notified when I post that video. Stick around with me. I'd really love and appreciate that. Thank you guys for subscribing. If you have already subscribed, you guys are amazing. That's just all I have to say. I'll definitely see you guys in my next one. Stay tuned. We're going to be doing some fun stuff this year, and bye guys.
What's together with blessing?
Red and Igbo accents.
You know that I'm sorry, but